commercial break. Just to remind you guys, we do this content every Sunday, and to like and subscribe and share with some of your greatest pals out there. Purple flowers.
Lake is where our campsite is. How do you guys spend your camping mornings? So it's been a great trip so far. Fool's Hollow here. It is a little cool for me. I am from the valley, at least the last few years I've been in the valley. It is right now, this is October, and it's still in the 90s. It's cool in the morning, but not as cool as it is here. So I have all my winter gear on, even though the locals up here in Show Low will probably be laughing at me. There are a lot of fish. I've seen fishermen, I've seen kayaks. It's been phenomenal, and I highly recommend, if you're interested in doing camping, campground camping, which is the camping that I generally do. Fool's Hollow is excellent. You get a nice lake view no matter where your campsite is. Unless you're in an RV, then you don't have that luxury. You are a little bit back from the lake. But you're right on the lake. Really nice and to be able to like take it in. AJ's taking it in too. We love it. What do you guys think in the comments? Tell me, have you been to Fool's Hollow? What was your experience? And do you usually like to campground camp, or do you like to boondock, which means no facilities, no running water, bring everything in yourself? Let me know in the comments. Bye. All right, that's it for today's content. Remember, like, subscribe, and share, and smash that bell if you want to see when I update every Sunday. Bye.